Yeah,
Betsy, can you do something about that as well?
Well, eventually, yes. June is right around the corner. That should
right.
smooth everything
Yeah.
out. You know, I was noticing on the highways, there's a lot of like little speed bumps. Those are known as frost heaves. Basically, a crack in the highway and the ice underneath will, you know, push the pavement up a little bit.
Yikes.
That might be a place where you have to look then for potholes once we get back into this freeze-thaw cycle. That's a deeper freeze, which we are certainly sitting with right now. Look at the temperature trend over the next several days, though. This is some fantastic news, right? Temperatures will be warmer. We have a few little potholes of our own as far as the forecast goes. But here's the thing. We don't have any rocket ship temperatures. We want that nice, slow melt. As Laura mentioned, the Muskingum River, one area that they are watching for those ice jams. We know all about ice jams here in Northeast Ohio with our rivers. Everything looks like it's doing okay so far. You may have some minor ice jams if you have ditches or streams or creeks near your property. Keep an eye on them. But as of right now, the major rivers are looking pretty good. Over the next few hours, the temperatures are going to be slowly sliding back into the mid-20s, and we will stay cloudy for the most part. Earlier today, the GOES 16 visible satellite picture showed some pretty interesting stuff. You can see the snow that is on the ground. The snow does not move. The clouds do. They've been thin clouds and on the increase, but we also got to look at the ice. Matt showed this earlier. I mentioned Friday night at 11, we had a wind change coming, and that wind change would push the ice out. Sure shooting, Catawba Island, we had 18 people go out on an ice floe, and they had to be rescued. Folks, stay off the ice. The ice looks like it's affixed to the shore, but once the wind blows, it pushes the ice around, and the ice is not a solid sheet. It's more like a slushy, and it's big chunks and little chunks all together, and when we get a wind switch, it stirs the pot, so to speak. So it's not a safe situation on the ice. That southwest wind literally pushing the ice down the lake here. And so we'll watch what happens when the winds begin to change on us once again. It looks like we've got a few wind switches coming this week. For right now, the winds are predominantly out of the west, anywhere from 5 to 15 sustained. We have had some gustier conditions from time to time, but that is driving down the wind chills. We have wind chills that are in the teens right now, where the temperatures are in the mid-20s west. It's still sitting at 38 degrees in Youngstown, still 39 in tropical Dover. Dover, you're back. Welcome back to being tropical here in Northeast Ohio. Your wind chill a balmy 36 right now. Colder air is out to the west of us. This swings through for tomorrow. So we have a high temperature forecast for 32. It's a little bit tricky because we really think the temperatures are going to peak early and then start to slide. We really have no major weather systems anywhere nearby. We could get hit with a few renegade flurries overnight tonight, but this is our next weather maker way up there in central Canada. This is a clipper that will pass through very quickly, and it will be responsible for the first pothole that's coming in the forecast as we hit midweek. Here's your National Designer hour-by-hour forecast. Mostly cloudy, seasonable for the day tomorrow. Sun on the backside, not so much in the morning. Temperatures are going to be probably topping out in the 28 to 32 degree range across the area. And your Union Home Mortgage outlook, look at this. We go up to 39 with that rain snow chance. Clipper comes through, back to 34 on Thursday. Another clipper on Friday, and then temperatures falling for your Saturday. But right now, Valentine's Day doesn't look like we have many problems in place. Jimmy is up next with a look at sports.